The Plant Genetic Resource Center in Gannorua, constructed with a grant from the Japanese government, was declared open in 1990 as an affiliated institution of the Department of Agriculture. Following the opening of this center, the government recalled samples of about 2,000 varieties of traditional seed paddy, which had been sent to the International Paddy Research Institute in the Philippines by the Department of Agriculture in 1971 for the purpose of conservation. These 2,000 seed paddy varieties are among 4,500 traditional seed paddy varieties currently stored at the center in Gannorua. The ability to recall these genetic resources from a foreign country exists because they were sent to an international research facility. This is because it is possible for a gene bank in any country to exchange genetic resources with foreign gene banks and research facilities in the relevant field. As a result, the Plant Genetic Resource Center in Gannorua has been able to exchange genetic resources with 6 international research facilities. Although the relevant laws for conserving genetic resources do not exist in this country, Sri Lanka is party to international conventions with regard to conserving genetic resources. While the Rio Convention on Biodiversity is among these, this provides limited room for the exchange of genetic resources between nations. However, recently the World Food and Agriculture Organization made the necessary provisions for nations to arrive at bilateral agreements to exchange genetic resources when both nations derive equal benefit from the exchange and for the purpose of increasing global food production and for research needs. However, this country is avoiding signing such bilateral agreements, even considering the benefits, on the foundation that through such an agreement, genetic resources conserved at the center in Gannorua could be lost to the country. Nevertheless, the contents of this letter, penned by the Director of the Garden Crops Research and Development Institute of the Department of Agriculture, affirms that plans are afoot to remove seed varieties conserved at the Gannorua Plant Genetic Resource Center from the country.